Welcome or welcome back to Cooking with Frenchy. As you know, Christmas is upon us and everyone wants to celebrate, which is great. At the end of the year, festivities are coming. If you checked my last video, I showed you how to chuck fresh oysters. So I'm just gonna keep going and I'll show you how to make just quick, simple, natural oyster or Oyster Mignonette. So we are going to chop shallots finely, very fine dice. In French we call that ciselé. We are going to add some red wine vinegar, just like this, simple as it is, and a bit of fresh ground cracked pepper. This is how the French really eat their oysters. So if you don't have algae close to you, or you don't want to use ice because it's messy and goes everywhere when you try to carry the tray, or you don't want to use rock salt because it's expensive at the moment, don't ask me why, I have no idea. So I'm using some egg white, about an egg white of 30 grams, and probably about 50 grams of salt, just table salt, cheap salt. And I beat that like it will be the meringue. So I beat the egg white first, and towards the end, to stiff peak, I'm adding the salt. And just an idea of presentation, like this, your oysters are not going anywhere. You can prepare that just before you serve, or a little bit in advance, about an hour. That will hold together. This is for the oyster to hold on a socle. So like this, you can grab it, eat it, and your condiment, sauce, whatever you put in your oysters will not run away. That's a little idea of presentation. Little nice oysters. And you just put it there, and whoever wants to grab it can grab it. The egg white's not gonna fall onto you, and it's gonna hold the oysters for presentation. I'm going to add obviously my mignonette of shallots and cracked pepper to the dish, as well as few wedges of lemon, because people love oysters with lemon. That create that salty and that acidity contrast. With the mignonette you have that too, so you got different options. For that plate I'm gonna add a little bit of fennel here, just to break out the color. As I said often to my students, I love contrast in a color. Texture, contrast, flavor, taste, all that is important for the dish as you eat with your eyes first. There you go, a little bit of mignonette on the oyster itself, not too much, just a little bit for color, and people can add more if they want to. That's the key. So think about it, it's a great way to start a dish during your festivities, this month, next month, end of the year party. You can also buy oyster also already chucked if you want to. That makes your life easier. It's so easy to do. It doesn't take much time, and everyone will love it, especially oyster lovers. And I'm not going about, you know what they say about oyster. It's an aphrodisiac, so if you want to have a good time, get on the oyster first. There you have it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, subscribe and share, and I'll see you sometime soon for another little tip or trick at Cooking with Frenchy. Follow me on Instagram, I'm always there. Look at this bunch of apprentices. Don't they look like they enjoy it? Have fun, be safe, catch you later. Au revoir et bon appétit.